Hi there and welcome to a closer look at the perfect baby girl gift set designed for newborn essentials. This beautifully curated basket includes a soft swaddle blanket that keeps babies cozy and snug, mimicking the comfort of the womb. It also features adorable sensory toys like an elephant lovey blanket and bunny rattles that stimulate hand-eye coordination during playtime. The set includes a cute cotton onesie that ensures comfort and makes diaper changes easier for parents. Plus, the swaddle doubles as a stroller cover, nursing cover, or changing pad, making it incredibly versatile. This thoughtful collection is ideal for baby showers, gender reveals, or first visits, showing love and care to new parents. Enjoy sharing the joy of welcoming a new baby with these practical and charming essentials. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.